Right, to open, unwind the long section. Press the plunger, both indicators go the same way. Token out. And Rhiw Goch is now open. Okay, I'm Peter Matthews. I'm one of the signalmen here at Rhiw Goch, which is halfway between Penryn and Tornabaul on the F&WHR Railway. Rhiw Goch is a hybrid signal box in that the points are worked by levers, but the signals are worked from the panel. So for the points, each set of points has got a black lever that actually moves the points, and a blue lever which operates the facing point lock. Normally the points are locked so that if the rod from the black lever should break, the points won't suddenly spring to the middle position. So in order to move a set of points, I first of all have to unlock them, and then I can move the points, and then I relock them, so the points are now reverse. And likewise, to get the points back normal, I first of all have to unlock them, then I can move the points, and then I lock them back in the normal position. So we got the top points at the top end of the loop and their facing point lock. We've got the points at the bottom end of the loop and their facing point lock. And then we've got the siding points and their facing point lock. And then the levers at the end are the king lever, which will operate to open and close the signal box. And we've got signalman here, and the shunting release lever, which is used to open the box for shunting purposes when train crew are using the box. So that's the levers. On the panel, each signal has got a button to operate it. So for the starting signals, we've got one button. For the home signals, where you've got routing to either the main line or the loop, we've got two buttons. Green button gives the green aspect into the main line. The yellow button gives the yellow aspect into the loop line. And the white buttons are used for the subsidiary shunting signal. In order to clear the signal, we have to operate the direction switch. So if you want to clear the home signal, we need to set the switch to down, and then I can press the button and that will get the signal to clear. The signal will go back to red automatically when a train goes through. If I want to put it back to red in emergency, I can use the direction switch. Likewise, to clear the starting signal, I will turn the direction switch to up and press the button for the starting signal. Starting signal will only clear if I've taken a token out. For the train, so I can press it now. Starting signal won't clear because I've not taken the token. And exactly the same at the bottom end. We've got a direction switch for the bottom end. So to clear the home signal, I'll turn the signal switch to up, and then I can press the button and the signal will clear to green. To put it back to red, I turn the switch back to on. The white lights indicate which way the points are set. So currently the points are set normal for a train to run into the main line. So if I turn the switch to up and try and clear the signal to the loop, it won't clear because the points are set for the main line. We've got three token instruments, or strictly speaking staff instruments. The small one is for the long section between Minffordd and Tornabaul. When Rhiw Goch is closed, trains will take a token that allows them to go from Minffordd to Tornabaul or vice versa. So there's a token instrument with these tokens or staffs at Minffordd and another one at Tornabaul. And this is an intermediate instrument that a train coming here, if it shuts in here, can put the token in and allow trains to go from Minffordd to Tornabaul. This is used when Rhiw Goch is closed. When Rhiw Goch is open, when there's a signalman here, we use the two short section instruments. So this is the instrument for Minffordd, from Minffordd to Rhiw Goch. So we've got a switch that we turn when we want to get a staff out, and we've got a plunger that is used to allow someone at Minforth to take a token out. Originally these worked with bells, so if we had a signalman at Minforth, I could press the plunger and that would give a bell code to Minforth, and the signalman at Minforth would reply by operating a similar plunger on the instrument at Minforth to ring the bell here. Nowadays we work by remote operator most of the time. There isn't a signalman at Minforth, so in order to get a token out I'll use the remote operator. So I wind the Minforth remote. The indicator goes to clear, which indicates that I can get a token out of the Minforth instrument. If it had gone to locked, that would indicate that there is already a token out and I can't get one out. As you can see, it drops back after about 5 to 10 seconds or so. So whilst that indicator is in the clear position, I can get a token out of the instrument. Once it's dropped back, then I've lost the release. Okay, so just as we've got an instrument to Minforth, so we've got a short section instrument to Tornabaul. There's a matching instrument at Tornabaul, and this allows trains to travel between Rhiw Goch and Tornabaul. So again, if I want to get a token out, I would turn the switch to the withdraw staff position. In order to allow someone to get token out at Tornabaul, I use the plunger and hold down, and I can watch the needle on the galvo go as the loco crew or whoever at Tornabaul tries to get the token out. operators. Clear on them both. Key lever. Check we've got 4 greens. And token goes back. Back in the instrument, and Rhiw Goch is now closed.